What up, YouTube? I told you I was making a video. It's been a little while, but this is the truck build. This is the new truck update. Got the 9.8 cubic foot box, shared air ported, 29, 30, 32 flat hurt. Got the kicker 2500.1, just a ZX, running about half gain, 3/4 on bass boost. There's two 200 amp breakers over there, running 3 batteries. Got the big 250 amp alternator from DC Audio out of South Carolina. So I'll put it in here, see what kind of flex we got. Play some Boosie for y'all. Change the song here a little bit, see what else we can get on here.